Hey, what's going on, guys? Matt here. It's going to be a slightly different video today. I don't know if some of y'all have been having this problem with the PS4 and certain apps like YouTube and ESPN, the audio and video not being in sync. So I found a solution, or at least it worked for me. So if you go to your receiver setup, so on the receiver setup, this is a Yamaha VX381 receiver. I'm sure most of them are probably very similar. But if you go to sound and then go to lip sync and just make sure that lip sync is set to manual as opposed to auto. Switching to manual solved that problem for me as far as the audio and video not being in sync on apps like YouTube and the ESPN app and others when using the PS4. So I've got a video of myself here just so I don't get any kind of copyright strikes. Everybody, so as promised, that's a little late, but as promised, I was going to do a video on this man crate filled with. So if you notice beef jerky, that the lips, well, my mouth. Yeah, so yeah, the man crate, it comes. And the audio is in sync. I have to physically pry the top off this thing. It was a challenge. Too bad I didn't. All right. So if I switch to auto. Yeah, I got the top off. You switch to auto. Yeah, so booze infused beef jerky. There's several different flavors. There's about probably 8 packs in here. If you notice now, the lips and the sound are not matched up. A dark ale, a Cabernet, rum, tequila. There's all kinds in here. So yeah, let's just start. You switch back to manual. So this is Chipotle tequila right here. And as far as ingredients, the first ingredient is beef, obviously. Okay, now it's lined up. Peppers, if I go back to auto. Then tequila, then vinegar, lime juice, soy sauce, a bunch of other crap. So, yeah, so that solved it for me. Let me go back to manual. Because I have quite a few to go through here. Wow, that's different. Yeah, so try that. Here, let me pause this now. So try that if you're having audio and video sync problems. If you're using a PS4, you go to your receiver properties and just see if it has lip sync, and just make sure that lip sync is set to manual, because I think it's set to auto by default. So put that on manual and it should solve your problem. It helped mine. So just want to throw this out here, because I've been looking online a lot, and I think a lot of people are having this problem with the PS4, certain apps not being in sync. And at first I thought it was the PS4 itself, but then I'm thinking, no, it's YouTube, it's ESPN, it's several apps. So then I went to my receiver and saw that it had this little lip sync option, switched it to manual, and problem solved. All right, so just give it a shot and let me know what you think. Hopefully it'll work for you, because it certainly worked for me. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.